How to fix Gmail not receiving emails issues. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In order to fix Gmail not receiving emails, first you want to check if your storage is full. So you want to open up the Gmail application and see if it says the storage is full. If you tap on the hamburger icon towards the top left of your screen, you'll be able to see here various options. So you should also see this storage is almost full notification that you'll get right there. So tap on the profile icon and you can see here you'll find the storage 0% of 15 GB used for this particular account. Now I'll just switch to another account here, and if I see here, you can see 8% is used, but I still have enough space on this device or on this account. So once you have checked your storage capacity, if the storage is full, you can proceed to clear out your storage. So you can tap on your profile and you can tap on that storage thing and then icon, and once you tap on the icon, you can tap on clean up space and clean up the space here by choosing up what you want to delete. Also, you want to check out your internet connection. Make sure internet is not the issue. It can be the reason why you're not receiving any emails. However, if the internet is working for other apps and not just for Gmail, if you are using an Android device, you want to check your data connection or your internet connection settings for Gmail application and its permissions as well. Also, you can go to settings. So you can open up Gmail app, head over to the settings. If you tap on hamburger icon, you'll be able to see these various options here, and you'll be able to see the spam and trash, and check your spam and trash folder and see if the mail are being set by default to the folder that is spams and draft. So you can fix that from the settings of your account. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues.